The Internet of Things is supposed to take your operations above and beyond, right? That's the result we're all dreaming of. However, unless you've worked with IoT before, you'll soon find that building an IoT system from scratch isn't easy. Figuring out the right equipment and services to use? Time-consuming. Putting it all together to do what you need? A challenge, to say the least. Integrating your systems? Not for the weak of heart. Despite the radiant promise of IoT, 30% of IoT projects still stall at proof of concept. So, what's causing all these projects to plummet to the ground? Complex or ambiguous project governance. Challenges accessing real-time data. The sheer number and variety of devices makes system integration its own black hole. Fortunately for you, these challenges have solutions. You can still get your IoT project off the ground and save 30 to 40% of project costs while you do it. IoT is hard when you're alone. Good thing you're not alone. Introducing Moonshot IoT by Timbergrove. Moonshot IoT is an enterprise IoT template that allows you to quickly deploy, track, operate, and accelerate any IoT asset management solutions powered by IBM, Microsoft Azure, or Amazon Web Services. In 4 to 12 weeks, you can implement an IoT platform, complete with an IoT and data integration API, alert manager, rules manager, dashboard, time series database, machine learning, edge computing. By providing the right hardware, software, and integration, Moonshot IoT empowers you to monitor, track, and control your assets' health with automatic alerts, execute preventive maintenance schedules, reduce the cost of maintenance and repair, access your data anytime, anywhere. Moonshot IoT takes the mysticism out of the Internet of Things and makes it more feasible than ever to reap its benefits and see positive ROI. All you have to do is count down to launch. Schedule your infrastructure assessment today with Moonshot IoT by Timbergrove. It's not going to launch itself. Get started now.